This was a real nice tram ride. We're mighty glad we paid. The vistas you get were good, you bet. The company was the same. Our feet have rest, our blisters are calm, and we are feeling prime. This was a real nice tram ride, and we all had a real good time. Thank God for the awnings covering our sunburns. SPF only does so much, sunscreen melts away. I see ribbons of saltwater taffy pulled and tugged by young men. Chomped it all up with our chompers and made sure we left a good tip. Oh, this was a real nice tram ride. We're mighty glad we rode. The seagulls did shit, that's good luck you bet. The driver did say the same. Our feet have rest, our blisters are calm, and we are feeling prime. This was a real nice tram ride, and we all had a real good time. Remember when we almost hit those children alongside the mirror maze line? They skidded and sputtered and giggled a song, fitting for a seagull's choir. Fitting for a seagull's, fitting for a seagull's, fitting for a seagull's choir. We swerved just in time to dodge them good, and none even lost a sandal. I admit, as we passed, they felt a few flutters, 'cause my look didn't come to putter. Fitting for a seagull's, fitting for a seagull's, fitting for a seagull's choir. Now we stop at the convention center to witness the annual competitive cheerleader tournament. Just how many of them galloped to the boardwalk just to jump into the tram car and proclaim, this was a real nice tram ride. We're mighty glad we came. The vistas you get were great, you bet. The tram driver was the same. Our feet have rest, our blisters are calm, and we are feeling prime. This was a real nice tram ride, and we all had a real nice time. We'll say it afar and we'll say